They are taking any other classes, sir?
This call is now being recorded.
Anyone
No, sir.
remaining classes going or not?
Don't know, sir. Nobody else is taking.
Remaining classes are taking. Okay, okay.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No classes are taken.
What?
No classes are taken, sir. It is holiday only.
Okay, okay. But we have to syllabus complete. We have maths class you can attend normally. Maybe by tomorrow we may come to university. Means normally we take. Otherwise, up to when we can come and attend because already they are complete. Third unit also their cycle test two. Okay, yeah. Cycle test two date when they are given actually. What is the date of cycle test two?
November 25th.
25th means but we have to complete another unit also. This only lot of things are there. Okay, yeah. Already people are taken this textbook Xerox fully 4 year series. You can distribute everyone. Smilesha is there. Smilesha. No.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. You send them actually. Send to everyone actually that book actually. If you take full copy. Okay, yeah.
Oh,
4 year series.
So for
What?
first chapter of Fourier series, no one has.
4 year series you can submit to everyone. 4 year series.
So we don't have the photo.
In textbook you have with you, no. 4 year series you can take and do. That is not second unit. You can see the 4 year series. Where is it actually in the textbook? Full 4 year series you can. Maybe that is which unit you can see. Okay, already you have taken 4 year transforms. Let it be there. We can use last unit. Okay. Smilesha left. Okay. Otherwise, I see in my system actually 4 year series are there with me. I will send you an actually in group. Don't worry. We do some problem. Actually, we started offering 4 year sine series, offering cosine series. Okay, yeah. How you will do offering sine series means what you will find out? Offering cosine series means what you will do? Are you there or not? Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
speak out, sir. What happened? Half range cosine series means what you will do? What you will find out? Suppose f of x is defined in 0, pi. Or half range cosine series, what you will do? Half range 4 year cosine series. What is the formula? F of x equal to what you will write? A naught by 2. N is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x. Come, remember or not? We done some problems also. Half range 4 year sine series means what you will write? F of x equal to only bn. Where a naught is equal to how can you write? 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx. A n how can you write? 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos n x. Here bn now you will find out 2 by pi. Remember or not? Sir, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Already have you done any problems there actually in Fourier series? Half range sine series, some x sin x, x cos x, something have you done, I think so. Correct? Huh? Now. If f of x is said to be even function, how you will define? Tell me. How can you say function is even when you will say function is even?
So we can't see anything.
You can't see.
No, sir. Like it's blur.
What can I do, sir? Now? Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If f of x is said to be even function, how you will define? Tell me.
F of x equal to f of minus x.
So change x by minus x, there is no change means you can say even function. That's done. Suppose f of x is odd means what?
F of x equal to minus of f of minus x.
That is f of minus equal to minus f of x. Change x by minus x means minus f of x you will get. Suppose if f of x is equal to x square, is even function or odd function? F of x is equal to x square, is it even function or odd function?
Even so.
Why so late? Cos x?
Even so.
X cube plus x square?
Odd.
Hey, odd. Only x cube is odd, but x cube plus x square, change x by minus half you are getting, minus half x cube plus x square are you getting?
No, sir.
So this is what? Neither even nor odd, correct?
Yes, sir.
E power x,
Neither
e power
even.
x, neither even nor odd. Suppose x cube plus sin x, even function or odd function? Even function or odd function? Are you there or not, all of you? How is there in university? Heavy rain is there or normal is there? In university campus, how many? All of you in campus, you know, inside campus or outside?
Inside.
Outside, sir.
So
Outside.
inside how it is Ananya? Heavy rains are there, huh?
No, sir, not heavy.
But rain coming. Here actually in my house, half feet of water last 3 days. Okay, now come on. F of x is x cube plus sin x, even function, odd function. Change x by minus x, what will happen, you see? Sorry, people are there or not? Are you alive, all of you?
Yes,
Speak
sir.
out. Speak out. F of x is equal to x cube plus sin x. Is it even function or odd function?
Odd, sir.
Change x by minus x, so minus half x cube, that is you will get, correct? So odd function. Now, in Fourier series, how we will discuss even and odd. If anywhere, if you get even and odd means this concept don't forget. F of x is equal to f of minus x equal to f of x means you can say even function. F of minus x equal to minus half f of x means odd function. But in Fourier series, they should, how you will define means, Suppose if f of x is defined in minus pi comma pi, then only we can, and if f of x is even, f of x is guaranteed defined is what? Minus pi comma pi or minus L to L. This is change of interval, I will tell you, don't worry. Minus L comma L, same. Upper limit and lower limit are both are same. One is minus, one is plus. Then you can think for even and odd. So you should see the domain. Then if it is my function satisfies even function, odd function means, but you can go further in different way can define. Are you okay? Suppose if f is even function in define minus pi to pi means what? The domain also important. Suppose f is even, suppose if 0 comma 2 pi means don't if it's an even function, some rule I will tell you, even function means you can do like this, I will tell you. Don't apply it. Getting or not? Any problem?
No, sir.
Say yes or no. So if f of x is defined in minus pi to pi or minus L to L, case 1. If f of x is even, then how can I write f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. So bn term becomes 0. F of x is even, bn 0. Suppose if they ask to find out half range cosine series means what, you should not say bn is equal to 0. Reaching or not? Are you okay or not? If they ask specifically half range cosine series means don't say bn is equal to 0. If they are not mentioned domain is minus pi to pi, my f of x is even means what, I can say bn is equal to 0. Difference you are understanding or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now, sir, bn is equal to 0. Now, why it's bn is equal to 0? If you ask means what, just you can think why it's bn is equal to 0. Tell me, what is my bn actually? Defined in minus pi to pi, 1 by pi, f of x, sin nx. Okay. Now, f of x is even, sin nx is what? Odd function. So, if you change this totally become is what? Odd function. You have one rule, you remember or not, I don't know. Minus a to a, f of x dx. If f is even means what you will write, tell me. What is the formula? In integration formula.
Twice of 0 to a.
Very good. Tell me, come on, Ananya. Come on.
Twice of
Ah,
integral over 0 to a f of x dx.
okay. Suppose if f of x odd means what? Minus a to a, f of x odd means what? Whole integration vanish or not?
Equal to 0.
Ah, so this fellow is, that's why if f of x is even, defining minus pi to pi means what? Bn y is 0 means what? This is the reason. Minus pi to pi, f of x sin nx. This is the odd function, this is even function. Change x means what? Minus will come. This become again odd function because even into odd is equal to odd. So totally odd, this will vanish. So you don't need to think actually. If you are able to say it's even in the odd, it's defined in minus pi to pi means immediately you can say f of x is even, bn is equal to 0, but domain also important, function rule also important. Now, a naught, how can you write? Tell me. I can write a naught 2 by pi, 0 to pi, because now only Ananya said actually one property is there, even function is minus pi to pi, 2 into 0 to pi I can write. So using that I am writing. A how can I write? Any problem, sir? Any doubt?
So board is not visible properly.
What can I do? Not clear. But This light means there's first class I taken they said now.
No, sir. Blur only.
Is it okay now?
No, sir, it's blur.
You, where will go? Okay, draining. Now?
No, sir. I don't know if it is for everyone or there's some problem with my connection.
Everyone, sir.
Everyone, how can you say Nishant?
2 people, sir.
It's blood only actually my class. What can I do? 1 minute. I will see. Actually, my new mobile has to come. It's okay now.
No, sir.
Now okay? No. Ananya, okay, yeah. Okay, Ananya, where are you? Not able to hearing your voice. Anyone okay, sir? Remaining of you?
No, sir.
Huh?
It's
No.
quite
Blur.
blurry.
Okay, what?
Went blurry again.
Yo, where I will go? Previously we taken. Now?
No, sir.
No, okay, I think so. Okay. So, if f of x is even means immediately can write bn 0, a naught and an only stands. A naught is equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx. An is equal to what? 2 by pi f of x and x. Now, case 2, if f of x is even, domain should be minus pi to pi only. Domain should be what? Minus pi to pi. Now, what you will get? Tell me. If case 2, here above this copied. Case 1, f of x is even, then bn is equal to 0, I can write. Then a naught by 2, an cos x, k 2 by pi. Now case 2. Now write case 2. If f of x is odd, define is what? Minus pi comma pi. If f of x is odd, defined in minus pi to pi or minus L to L, then you can write immediately what you will write. A naught is equal to AN is equal to 0. So the function defined in minus pi comma pi, then A naught AN is equal to 0. Then Bn become what? Tell me. Then Bn you can write 2 by pi f of x sin nx. Sorry, Fourier series you will get f of x is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. Where Bn is, how can you write? So if f of x is defined minus comma pi, suppose if f of x is odd means what? A naught An is equal to 0. Same reason as actually like this property of using integration property. Then f of x equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin x. Then Bn I can write 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x sin x. Copy down. Oh, come on, do. Obtain the Fourier series of periodic 2 pi of the function f of x is equal to x square in minus pi comma pi. Hence deduce the sum of the series 1 plus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, so on, and 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, so on. He is giving actually two series they asked actually. It's very good problem. F of x is equal to x square minus pi comma pi. Deduce the series is what? 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, so on. Next series is what? 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, so on. Now we see function f of x is equal to what is my function x square. Then define in where, what is my domain? What is my domain?
Minus pi to pi.
So can I check is a even function or odd function case? Even function, odd function. F of x equal to x square, even function or odd function. My domain also happy minus pi to pi. So I can think for a even function, odd function problem. Okay, yeah. So even function or odd function, this is f of x equal to x square.
Even.
Very good. F of x equal to even, then this domain also minus pi to pi. Then Fourier series, how can I write immediately? F of x is even in actually minus pi times of pi. So this implies what? Immediately what you will say? Bn is equal to 0. If they ask Fourier half range cosine series, means don't say Bn is equal to 0. That is different story. Okay, yeah. Now Bn is equal to 0. Now f of x, how can you write? A naught by 2 plus an cos nx. Now tell me A naught, what you will write? A naught is equal to what? Sir, come on, speak out, sir, please. Are you people are there or not sleeping?
Here only, sir.
Ananya, sound is not coming.
So here only, you can't see the board only. Very difficult to understand.
You do yourself. See, what can I do? Maybe network issue. I don't know. Yeah, outside is heavy rain. But okay. A naught, what is the formula? Tell me. F of x equal to x square. You can tell me. One minute. Wait. Wait, 1 minute. I'm coming. Are you able to see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir. Wait. Because my board, some problem network issue here, fully aware. Which problem I given 1 minute? This is not this problem. One minute. It's already written minus pi x, correct? It's probably I don't remember or not. Because f of 0 minus 0, f of 0 plus 0 is equal to f of 0 written. Remember or not? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Huh? What?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Somebody talking something. Yes. F of x equal to x square. So, from this what you understand actually even function. Then even function means immediately what you will write? Bn is equal to 0. Am I correct or not? Then f of x equal to a naught by 2 an cos x, since Bn is equal to 0. A naught is what? 2 by pi f of x dx. 2 by pi x square integrate. X square integration is what? X square integration.
X cube by 3.
Then apply. So a naught you got. Then an now we will do f of x into cos x. X square into cos x. Correct? Find out x square into cos x. X square. Then cos x integration is what? 2 by pi you can write because even function we are writing. Actually, I want to write minus pi 2 pi because it's even function by according to integration rules. 2 by pi I am writing. Correct? So x square cos x you can do. Integrate. X square into cos x integration is what? Sin nx by n minus 2x into sin is what? Minus cos nx by n square plus 2 into minus sin nx by n cube. Correct? Integrate first. X square cos nx integration is what? Sin nx by n minus this x square differentiation is 2x. Sin x integration is cos nx minus cos nx by n square plus 2x differentiation is 2. Then sin is what actually? Cos is sin minus already this minus you can bring. Apply the limits. If you apply the limits, sin pi is what? Sin n pi is what? Apply the limit, which term will stand here? After integration, I got this. So sin n pi 0. If you put x is equal to 0, 0, this is waste. This is also waste. Correct or not? Okay, yeah. Now if we apply the upper limit, 2 in this what 2 minus is what? Plus 2. 2 pi cos n pi is what? Minus 1 for n. If you apply the lower limit is what? 2 into 0, 0. So this term only stands upper limit. This term fully 0, this term 0. This term if you apply, what you will get, tell me? 2 pi by outside, 2 pi cos n pi by n square. So 2 pi minus 1 power n by n square. Correct? Huh? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So 2 pi, 2 by pi. Pi will cancel. 4 into minus 1 power n by n square. Check is correct or not. This is what an. Clear? Now my f of x is equal to what? A naught by 2 into plus an cos x. Because Fourier, not half range, sorry, even function. Then this you can put. Okay. Now actually my function defined where minus pi comma pi. Now how you will define, if they ask hence reduce, how you will prove, tell me? Hence reduce part, how you will do? Single interval means what? Here you can apply the what? Left side you can function, you can apply the domain. Here you can apply the any one point. I told you this. How can you write? F of pi plus f of minus pi by 2 is equal to f of pi. I know. Are you agree? Forget everything. Hence reduce part, how we will do? F of pi plus f of minus pi by 2 is equal to f of pi. Right or wrong? Tell me. Sir, are you there or not? This how you will do this already 4 series we got. Hence reduce part you have to do means what? Interval, single interval means what you told? F of pi plus f of minus pi by 2 is equal to f of pi. LHS you can do from the function question. RHS you can do what? From the answer I told you or not? Then we substituting pi actually this value. Then x is equal to pi. This left side you can do. F of minus pi plus f of pi by 2 is equal to f of pi. This is equal to what? X square anyway, pi square, pi square. Then you will get first part. Very, very important. 1 by 1 by 2 square into pi square by 2. But next second value is asking alternative plus minus. How we will do? Any idea? First part proved. I told you f of minus pi plus f of pi by 2 f of pi single interval means what? This f of pi you will substitute in the answer. This you can substitute in the question. My question is what? F of x is equal to x square. So x pi square plus pi square by 2 pi square. This is if you substitute pi means what? Same value, this value will get. Now simplify, you get pi square by 6. Now another question how you will do? Plus minus I want to get. Then how you will do? Seeing this question, what you will substitute, you will get plus 1 you can see. Because already pi continuity I checked plus pi minus pi. Here cos is what, alternative is what, if you put x is equal to 0 I can get. So f of 0 I will get. 0 is the continuous point. I don't want to go left and right. So x is equal to 0, substitute means what, cos 0 is 1. Then alternative plus minus you will get. So you can substitute x is equal to 0 for second value. Are you okay? Board means you said board problem. If I am explaining also nobody talking. Are you able to see? Are you there or not? Hello?
Yes, sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
see.
Understanding or not? Say yes or no, no problem. So these notes I will send you this. Maybe if they smiley shape they take this, you can take, otherwise this I'll copy and send you actually. Okay. Now clear. So hence the first part I will do using the left hand line primitive. Second part I will do put x is equal to 0 because alternative plus minus. Seeing the answer I will decide because two parts I want to prove that. This is continuity will decide. This is what some point if I take only I will get that I will do. Correct? Huh? So lot of problems are there. Next class I will discuss this. Now I will stop here. Everyone is there. Everyone attended. Anyone absent? All of you there. Say yes or no, sir. Very bad actually. Want to take a
Yes, sir.
all are there. One is there. Two,
Yes, sir.
two,
Present, sir.
three,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5. Hey, now only joined. Malaysia. Huh?
No, sir,
Six.
my Wi-Fi got cut.
5. Now only side. The left hand coming, 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 13, 14 not there, 15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17, presents are 18, 18 not there, 19, 18 is last, 19 present, 20, 20 is last number,
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, sir. Next class we can meet actually because maybe a network issue, I don't know. Okay, every day I'm taking that mobile, no problem. We see actually, okay? Right.
Thank you, sir.